Today we are going to derive an expression for the differential equation of linear SHM. Consider a particle which is performing linear SHM about a fixed point O. Let A be the positive extremity and B be the negative extremity of the particle. Let at any instant t, P be the position of the particle for which displacement be x from the mean position O. So according to the definition of the linear SHM, restoring force F is equal to minus k into x, where k is a force constant which is called as, where k is a force constant whose unit is Newton per meter and dimension is L raised to 0, m raised to 1 and t raised to minus 2. As per Newton's second law, force F equals to mass into acceleration. This is equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2, as both are the expression of the force, we can write here mass into acceleration is equal to minus k into x, or A equals to minus k by m into x, or A is equal to minus omega square into x, where omega is equal to root of k by m, called as angular frequency. Let this is equation number 3. See, as we know that the linear acceleration A is defined as rate of change of linear velocity, and linear velocity V is defined as rate of change of linear displacement. So we can write here A is equal to what? D upon dt, and the value of V, which is dx upon dt. So again differentiating dx upon dt with respect to time t, we get what? A equals to d2x upon dt square. Now putting the value of A in equation number 3, we get d2x upon dt square equals to minus omega square into x, or d2x upon dt square plus omega square x is equal to 0. That this is equation number 4. Equation number 4 is called as the differential equation of linear SHM, where omega is angular frequency, x with the displacement, and d2x upon dt square is called as acceleration of the linear SHM. I hope you understand it. Thank you.